This is Katura from Blue Notary, and I wanted to show you 3 features inside a session that can help you and make it easier for you as you're doing your day-to-day work in the Blue Notary platform. So one of the new features that we have is the designation of colors for different participants inside the session. So here we can see our bubbles that have always been here for showing who is inside the session. So for example, it's me. Here's John, our primary signer. We have Liam, an additional signer, and we have Theo, who's a witness. What you might notice that's new is that each one of these participants in the session now has a color. So as a notary, I'm here in blue. John is green, Liam is purple, and Theo is gray. Now, this is nice seeing up here, but how does that affect the document that we're signing? So as we go down this limited power of attorney, we can see that we have some initial boxes here, and they are green. And we can see it says JL, these are John's initial boxes. Now, when we go down, look, now we're seeing a purple. And the purple ties us back to Liam, but it lets us know who is supposed to sign where. And this makes it easy to visualize during a session. Another thing that is helpful is here under document. Here we can see the document that we're signing, and it's a limited POA, but we can see it's incomplete. Why is it incomplete? It's because these boxes, these initials and signatures have not been completed. So this is an easy way for us to know if our document has been fully executed just by going to the document panel here. Another new feature we have is looking at the payment details. So here we can see that this session is going to be paid by the signer, which is John. And here is the cost breakdown. And if we want to see a little bit more of how this is broken down, we can go here and widen it. So here we have the cost breakdown, the payment details. And so it's a notarization, 1 notary seal, a service fee, and the additional signer. And so here, this is how much our signer is going to be invoiced when the session is completed. Now, what would this look like in another session? So let's jump over to another session to see what it would look like there. So here in this session, a different limited power of attorney, we see that this one is being paid by the notary, which is me. I'm paying for this session and I'm going to invoice John later. And so this here we can see this is my fee as a notary and the total that I'm going to be invoiced. And then I can invoice the signer what I need to based on my business need and my state guideline. And we can also look at the document. It is incomplete because it hasn't been signed. And we can also see how many different places each one of our participants has to fill out in the document. That's what these numbers here. And they're the pending actions for each one of these people. And by clicking on these numbers, we can go to where these signers need to sign or fill out information. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more remote online notary tips.